Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making these quick instant noodles. If that sounds something interested, keep watching. In a pan, I added some oil and allowed to heat up. Once it's heated up, I added some chicken. I have this chicken left over from the chicken wrap that I make. I will put the video up here in case you're interested, you can check it out. I just stir the chicken together, cover the pot and allow to fry for about few minutes. Few minutes later, I come back and I will flip the chicken to the other side so the other side can fry as well. The chicken is perfectly fried to my liking. I'll go ahead and add some roughly blended bell pepper and some onion and I'll give it a quick stir. I added the instant noodle seasoning and I've had some pepper flakes as well, and I'm going to add some carrots as well. Stir everything together and allow to cook on a low heat until it's perfectly done. Feel free to add any vegetable of your choice, alright? At this point, the sauce is perfectly cooked. I'm just going to go ahead and set it aside and I'll go ahead and boil the noodles, alright? Just parboil your noodles according to your taste. Some people like their noodles very soft, but personally, I don't like my noodles to be very soft, alright? I will just boil it according to my taste, alright? I cover the pot once I had the noodles and allow to boil for about a minute or so. At this stage, the noodles is boiled to my liking. I will take it off the heat and drain out the water. Back to the sauce, I added the noodles into the sauce and I had a little bit of soya sauce as well. I'm making use of light soya sauce, alright? I just stir everything together once I had the light soya sauce and allowed to steam on a low heat for about a minute or so. And that is it, guys. The recipe is super simple but absolutely delicious. Trust me on this one, guys. To finish it up, I added some hard-boiled egg and that is it, guys. I hope you guys like the recipe, and if you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.